Let's learn to ask and answer Czech questions like this. Kdy je ta lekce? Je v úterý v 1 hodinu. Ahoj, já jsem Kateřina. I'm a Czech teacher for foreigners, and this is another lesson from my 0 to A1 course in Czech. In this lesson, you will learn to say when something is happening. We will work on the parts of the days and the time of the day as well. But a prerequisite to this lesson is knowing the Czech numbers from 1 to 100. So if you're unsure about these, check out my lesson 19 and 20 to learn those first, as well as the previous lesson 22 if you're not sure about how to use the days of the week correctly. And once you're ready, take a pen, print out the exercise sheet from the link down below, and let's get started. Let's start practically. Go to your exercise sheet, to cvičení 1. You will hear the 2 dialogues. Listen to them and add the missing words.
Dobrý den, tady Česká televize, informační servis. Jak vám můžeme pomoci?
Dobrý den, tady Viktor Vašina. Promiňte, kdy je koncert, prosím?
Koncert je ve čtvrtek ve 20 hodin a 30 minut.
A kdy je hokej, prosím?
Hokej je v sobotu v 10 hodin a 50 minut.
Kdy je, prosím, film Kolia?
Film Kolia je v pátek ve 21 hodin. Ahoj, dnes je plný den.
Opravdu? Co je dnes?
Dnes je pondělí. V pondělí je dlouhá škola a je už 7:30. A potom je volejbal 16:40.
A kdy je lekce češtiny, prosím?
Lekce češtiny je v úterý v 9 hodin a 15 minut. A kdy je tvůj balet?
Balet je ve středu ve 14:30. A kdy je tvoje kytara?
Moje kytara je v 15 hodin, taky ve středu.
A kdy je volno?
Volno je v neděli, celý den.
Have you filled in the missing words? If so, here are the answers. Now, to help us understand the meaning of the words in the dialogues, look at the cvičení 2. Listen to the dialogues one more time and fill in the calendar schedule with the different activities that are happening at different times. And now, here are the answers. Now a little quiz. Cvičení 3. Answer my questions about the text in English. As all your answers might be different, write them in the comments section under this video. I will check and correct all of your answers. Before we move on with more vocabulary practice, I just want to say thank you so much, everyone, for liking this video. It really helps out a lot. Thank you. And now cvičení 4. To practice the rest of the vocabulary from the 2 dialogues, draw a line to connect the Czech words and their English translation. Here are the answers. New words are often hard to remember, so if you would like to practice, go to my Memrise course linked in the description of this video to better memorize the new words in a fun and interactive way on your computer or your phone. Now, another topic related to what you saw and heard in the dialogues before. How to use the words hours and minutes correctly in Czech. Kolik je hodin? You know this question and also the most simple way to say the hours and the minutes in Czech from my previous lesson number 20, Czech numbers 11 to 100. watch that one first if you don't remember. For example, 14:01, 14:01. But another very common way to express the time is to say it's 2 o'clock and 1 minute. 2 hodiny a 1 minuta. We need to learn a little bit of grammar, so go to cvičení 5 in your exercise sheet and translate the following 3 sentences from Czech to English. Here are the answers. Maybe you notice the difference in the endings of words hodina a minuta. 1 hodina, 1 minuta ends as usually with the ending a. But 2, 3, 4 hodiny, 2, 3, 4 minuty. After numbers 2, 3 or 4, we use the ending for plurals I, hodiny, minuty. Any numbers above 4 take off the ending altogether. 5, 6, 7 hodin, minut. And now it's time for you to practice this. Complete the last exercise, cvičení 6, in your exercise sheet. You will see a time like this. In Czech, write the hours and minutes in the format 3 hodiny a 45 minut. If you're ready, here are the answers. If you got this far in the video, you are amazing. The progress and the amount of work you've done today was immense. If you don't mind, please give this video a thumbs up. Liking and subscribing to the channel helps me tremendously. But before you go, it's time for your homework. You will find it in the end of your exercise sheet. And if you need any corrections or guidance, type your questions in the comments below. Keep learning, keep studying, and I'll see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky a ahoj.